Alright, so let's see how to integrate using partial fraction. If you are given a rational expression to integrate, you can just simplify it into two simpler fractions. For instance, if I tell you 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, you tell me it is 6 is the LCM, 3 plus 2 is up here. That will give you 5 over 6. Is that not so? So that means you can say that 5 over 6 is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. See the way you simplify 5 over 6 into 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. You simplify this one into 2. This is what is known as partial fraction, and we can do that in integration by simplifying fractions and then integrating it simply. Alright, look at this example on the board. If you are asked to integrate this using partial fraction, first of all you have to get the partial fractions first. And the partial fraction of this, because it has two different linear factors, so it's very simple. This one will stay one side, this one will stay one side, something like this. So this one is easy, right? Okay, so if you are to further expatiate this, you have the both of them will come together. A will multiply this, B will multiply this, something like this. Okay, so we still have our 5x plus 3 all over x plus 1 and x plus 2. Mind you, in partial fraction, the goal is to get these two fractions. So this one is like our 5 over 6, and this 2 is like our 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. You are seeing we are trying to break this into this and this, but we don't know what A is, we don't know what B is. It's like this 1 and 1 that is up here. So when we get A and B, we have divided it successfully. So that means your goal is to get this A and to get this B. Now if you look at this and this, denominator and this denominator are the same. That means this numerator and this numerator have to be the same. But the only thing you have to do in partial fraction is you have to eliminate this A, or you eliminate this B. If you eliminate A, you get B. If you eliminate B, you get A, and then you put it back here. You've gotten your partial fraction. So how do you eliminate A? You eliminate A by making all of this place 0. The only way this can be 0 is if x is equal to minus 2. So what we are trying to do is to get rid of A. When we get rid of A, we'll get B, or when we get rid of B, we can get A. So the only way to get rid of A is by doing x plus 2 to be equals to 0. So you can see that x has to be minus 2 for this to go. So what you will do is let x be minus 2, and you take only the numerator. So we have 5, this is x, you write minus 2 plus 3 equals to A minus 2 plus 2 plus B minus 2 plus 1. What did I do? I just wrote all the numerator and I replaced anywhere I saw x with minus 2. That's all. So I can open this bracket now. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 plus 3 equals to minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So this A will go. We are left with only here. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this will give me minus B. So we can see that here we have minus 7 equals to minus B, making B to be 7. So we have gotten our B easily. Now you can also do the same. Since here we eliminated A, we can also do the same to eliminate B. And how can you eliminate B? Look at this factor that is with B, x plus 1. You have to make it equal to 0. So that means x has to be minus 1. So for you to eliminate B, x has to be minus 1. So let's do that. So you say let x be minus 1, and then you repeat what I just did. 5 minus 1 plus 3 equals to A minus 1 plus 2 plus B minus 1 plus 1. Obviously minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, so this will go. We are left with 5 times minus 1. Minus 5 plus 3 equals to minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 times A is A. So A is minus 5 plus 3, which is minus 2. So obviously we are able to get that A is minus 2 and b is 7. So that means this factor, which is 5x plus 3 all over x plus 1 x plus 2, we have been able to divide it into a and b. Now this a is minus 2 all over x plus 1, see it here, plus this b is 7 all over x plus 2. So this is how to divide something into partial fractions. So this was like my 5 over 6, and I divided it into two distinct fractions and simpler fractions. So this was my big fraction, this is a simpler fraction, this is a simpler fraction. Now let me show you how to use this to integrate. So after you have gotten your partial fraction, your two partial fractions or more than two, depending on the question, after you have gotten your two partial fractions and you are asked to integrate 5x plus 3 all over x plus 1 x plus 2, so I was able to change it to minus 2 all over x plus 1 plus 7 all over x plus 2. All of them is with respect to x. Okay, so if you are integrating the triangle and not differentiation, Alright guys, if you understood what I just taught you, please try this question. Also like this video, comment if you have any question or any other one you want me to do a video on, and share to your classmates that needs it. Thank you.